Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. Today we will be doing this look right here. It's a very natural, day to day. You can wear it anywhere. It's very easy. It shouldn't take long. I would say max 20 minutes. A lot of moms out there don't have a lot of time to get ready, even if it's a late night dinner and you are getting out of work and you're like, crap, I only have like an hour to get ready. Well, here you have it. You can flat iron your hair, throw it up in a bun. It doesn't matter. Anything you wear with this makeup look is going to look very good. I wear this pretty much anywhere. You could wear this to an event, maybe add some falsies to it, so that way, you know, it looks a little more, you know, glam. I wear this to the store, to Walmart, to eat, to have lunch. There aren't many steps to this look. It's very easy. It may seem like a lot of steps, but it really isn't. This look is so natural that even high schoolers can get away with this. Middle school, I mean, I would take out a few things like the contouring and stuff, maybe bronze, but very lightly. A little bit of blush, not too much. But I definitely think this can be worn to school. The foundation I used was the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Foundation. This foundation is amazing for like natural looks. If you want to see how I created this look or how I get this look done, then keep on watching. So I will be starting off with the Aveeno moisturizing lotion, as always. I love this moisturizer. It actually leaves the skin nice and tacky for some foundation application. So I love it. That's Lucas. Next, I will be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and I will be doing the brows. Nothing special. So what I do is just run this through the brows, and I don't want to like sculpt them a little too much either. Here, I like to just do like a little, so I kind of flick it upwards. And if I get anything down here, it's okay because I will fix that later on with concealer. So that's the most perfect they are going to look. Don't look at this hair. I just threw it up really quick. I will be doing it after I'm done with my makeup. So next I will be going in with the Maybelline Master Conceal Concealer. This is in the color light medium. And going in with the Morphe E11 brush, I'm just gonna carve the eyebrows out. Then I just wipe the brush off, and you know the drill already. I've told you guys how I do this. Do the top. I will run that through the front of my eyebrow very lightly, just to give it like a natural looking type of brow. I try to make my eyebrows look as natural as possible. Try, okay? I mean, everyone has their preference of how they like their eyebrows, and I'm trying my best here. So I just lift the brow to get that arch. So I tried my best to make them look as natural as possible, so they don't look so like drawn on, you know. Next we're going to set the eyebrows with the Essence Make Me Brow Gel. There we go. I finally fixed my camera. I figured out what was wrong with it and why it was like going blurry and shaking and just being weird. So we're just gonna run that. I always start from the middle and just work it towards the end and then do the front. I'm sorry if you guys hear my son talking in the background, but I am a mom of 3 and you are going to hear kids. I can't help it. Alright, so next we'll be priming the face, and I like to go in with the TooFaced Hangover RX primer. And I just put that all in my T-zone first, and then I spread it everywhere else. Now I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear foundation, and this is in the color Vanilla. Yeah, I like to just like rub it into my back of my hand, and then I just apply it all over. And then I am going to blend that all out with the Beauty Blender. And then the neck. I usually, if I wear my hair up, I will usually do the ears, but I'm wearing my hair down. Okay, and going in again with that Master Concealer by Maybelline, I'm going to apply that on my eyelids and then everywhere where you would. I don't put a lot because a little goes a long way with this, and I like to look kind of natural on my day-to-day basis, and pretty much that's what I do. And then I just blend it all out. So I usually choose a foundation, oh my god, a concealer that is close to the skin tone, just because it's day to day, it's outdoor. I don't want to worry about, oh, is this blended enough or what. So I usually choose this type of concealer just because it matches my skin very well, and you can't have, like, you won't have this big old, like this big old white or like light colored. I also like to put some around the edges of my nose here, just because sometimes this gets a little red, so I will blend that out. And to set that, I will be using the RCMA No Color Powder. And then, you know me, the rubbing a little bit, just for those fine lines under the eye. I still have to do a few things, like I gotta go color my daughter's hair because she wants some like highlights. Last time I did like a turquoise color, so I think she might want the same thing. So I did crease a little bit, wait in, so I just go back with the Beauty Blender and just set that. And I like to lift my brow so that everything is covered. It's very simple. It's nothing crazy. You guys will probably like this. I mean, I'm sure there's a lot of videos out there, so you have a lot to choose from. And then, oof, that was too much. And then I like to go over my nose just because I'm going to contour it, and around here, and pretty much anywhere else that I put concealer on. So like the top of the forehead, or on the forehead, and the chin, and on my lip, these lines here, because they tend to crease here. And then the other place that I will put a little bit on is where I'm going to contour. And again, I just do like these areas right here. But that's about it. I don't like to set too much because I don't want to look cakey and matte. I want to look still glowy and like natural. All right, and now I'm gonna go in and bronze or contour the face with the Shade and Light palette by Kat Von D. This is my shit. Like I said before, I love this palette for contouring. I just seem to keep going back to it even though I have other bronzers. I will be using these two colors here. I hit pan on this one because I just use it so much. But I will be going into that with the Wet n Wild brush and pretty much just start contouring. It's good to keep it just back here. There we go. I don't know if there's any other contour palettes out there that you guys think are as good as this one. Let me know. Like, I don't know, I love this. I usually do go in with like a, sometimes when I have more time, I will go in with like a cream foundation and contour that first. Don't forget that chin and the neck, because you want to look the same. You don't want to have like a nice color on your face and then your neck is just. And this is a Coastal Scents brush. Oh, it's so thick. Everybody starts from the top, but I like to start from the bottom. I feel like my lines come out better when I start from down here. And then I do this part and here. And to blend that out, I like to use the It Cosmetics all over shader slash crease brush. And I've already showed you guys what this brush looks like, so I'll use the side that is for the all over shader side, just to like blend it a little bit, since it's like a harsh line going down my nose. And I like to hold the brush like at the tip, so that way you don't put a lot of pressure, it's just lightly blending. And then I like to go and use the other end and just, it's fluffy, so I feel like this just blends it out so much better. This just blends it out completely. Okay, and then I like to go in with the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and going in with my unicorn flat face brush by Tarte. I'm just going to just cut that a little bit. And I like to do the same on the nose. And I make sure I set this because my nose does get like oily around that area, my T-zone. All right, and while that sits for a little bit, I want to go in with this Milani blush. This is in the color Pink Craze. I'm gonna go into that with a Wet n Wild blush brush. Now using this Must Haves brush, it's a powder 104 brush. I'm just gonna brush off that powder that I used to just chisel my cheeks, and do the same thing over here. And just blend out anything else that needs to be blended out. And for the eyes, it is so easy what I'm gonna do. You guys are just gonna be like, what? That's it? So for the eyes, I use the same exact colors on this palette. That's the contour. The first two colors, oh my god, I can't even talk, which are Subconscious and Shadow Play. So Subconscious and Shadow Play. I'm sorry I didn't tell you guys the colors before, but now you guys know. And I'm just gonna run that where you would put your transition color. And I lift the brow as well. I'm always lifting my brow just because I have hooded eyes. And then I bring it down into the crease as well. Nothing crazy, just simple. We're just giving a little color to the crease. That is it. To do this video, this is taking a lot longer. I promise it does not take this long. Very easy, very quick. Like I said, I love this palette because I can use it for more than just my cheeks. You know what I mean? I do overdo it a little bit and use this look like a little too much, but it's my go-to. I'm a mom and I like makeup that is gonna be quick and easy. And I do wipe the brush and just like go over it all, and that is it. Okay, and now I'm gonna go ahead and put some mascara on. You can do falsies and put some false lashes on, but like I said, I'm a mom and I have to be on the go, so I'm just gonna do mascara. And the mascara I like to use is the Telescopic Carbon Black mascara. This is like my favorite mascara of all time. Well, I just apply that to the lashes and nothing crazy. I just, you know, regular application. I'm like trying to hurry up because I got somewhere to be. If you get mascara on your lid, don't worry about it. Leave it alone, let it dry out. And I apply them to the bottom lashes as well. Okay, so back to when you get mascara on your lid on accident, what you're gonna need is a little bit of some translucent powder and a spoolie. You're gonna dip that into the powder and you're just gonna scrape it off like this without doing any damage, lightly scraping it. Same thing if you get it on the bottom of your lashes, which I did a little bit. It happens when you're in a rush. And voila, none of that is on my lids or underneath. I cleaned it up and it looks good. And now for my favorite part of everything is the highlight, and I'm going in with the Sleek highlighting palette. Guys, I love this highlighter so much. Like, it's such a good price, so affordable, and I just love it. This one is actually the Solstice palette. I love this. And now I'm going into that with my little highlighter brush by Wet n Wild, and I'm just applying that up here, and I'm doing like a C shape. Don't mind my stubby nails, you guys. I took off my nails to apply a new set. Oh. always leaving the shit open. I'm sorry. I'm always leaving the drawer open. Now I'm gonna apply this to the bridge of my nose using my finger and to the tip of my nose. And I just blend it with my finger. Same thing as this part. And then I do the top, okay, and then I do my cupid's bow. And I bring it slightly down. It's just my preference. You don't have to do that. You can just do your cupid's bow. I like to go up. And I blend it out with my finger. I don't put any on my forehead because I have fine lines up in there, and honey, this brings it out even more. So when you are in your 30s, you cannot do that anymore. So all you girls in your 20s, enjoy. Just kidding. And now for the lips, you guys, you have two choices. You could either line your lips like with a nude or a cute, like natural looking lip liner, or you can just go with a nice glossy color. And I'm gonna go with just a gloss and nothing else because, like I said, this is a get out the door mommy makeup. Gotta go to school, gotta go. You need to hurry up. You don't have time to sit there lining your lips all perfectly, because I know I don't, and I will not be lining them perfectly at all. So I'm gonna go in with the KKW by Kylie Cosmetics. This is what the packaging looks like. I'm sure some of you guys know. And this is in the color Kiki. And you're just going to apply it like you would a lipstick. A lot of people don't like to wear this just on its own, but now I'm going to set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Give that a shake. And all right, you guys, here you have it. This is the finished look. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification symbol so that you are notified every time I upload a new video.